Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes without milk and baking powder. Combine flour, sugar, baking soda, and salt in a bowl and whisk. Whisk in water or plant-based milk, 1 egg or flax egg, and a splash of oil until smooth. Let batter rest for 5 to 10 minutes to hydrate. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and cook pancakes 2 to 3 minutes each side until golden. In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes without milk and baking powder. Choose your liquid: plain water, oat milk, or carbonated water for different textures. Measure liquid so batter is pourable but not runny, about 3:4 ratio liquid to flour by volume. Stir gently to avoid overmixing. Small lumps are fine. Rest the batter briefly so flour hydrates, then cook on a hot, lightly oiled pan. In this video, I will review how to make pancakes without milk and baking powder. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes at the counter because its screen is glare-free and the battery lasts for weeks, making cookbook browsing effortless. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and please subscribe and like if you are finding this helpful. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you make pancakes without milk and baking powder with simple cooking tips. Heat a non-stick pan to medium and add a tiny amount of oil or butter. Pour batter in 3 to 4 inch rounds, watch for bubbles and slightly set edges, then flip once and cook until golden. Keep cooked pancakes warm under a plate while you finish the batch for consistent texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.